This video contains loud noises and me getting in trouble one time. Insane. Man, I just leveled up to 20. Finally. No, and it gave me 3 incubators in total. So now I'm incubating 3 5K eggs. Because the Wigglytuff, when I evolved the Jigglypuff, it gave me enough XP to get, because it was a new Pokemon, so it gave me enough to, oh my god, to level up. Oh, I'm catching a Pokemon. I'm not getting the Pokestop. Come on. Oh, my bag's full. Wait, my bag's full. No, because my bag was full and I couldn't get green. Okay, there. Okay, there. Oh, but it says I already got it. Okay, Nathan. Catch it, okay?
Yeah?
Nathan's catching the Pokemon. Nope. 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 Okay, let me just catch it. No, I'm sorry. It's because you're throwing it right. Oh, so a Pokemon. Ahorita. Right now. Right now. Yeah, the Ekans. Catch the Ekans. If any phone will be easier for you. Got it.
Got that?
So you sit down?
I don't know.
Got that? Mikey.
Okay. No, right now. No, Nathan.
Mikey.
Okay, go, pa.
Mikey.
Ready?
Mikey. I got that.
Right
Mikey.
now, we'll catch it right now. What?
No.
Goliath. Oh, wait, what the? Why does it keep doing it down? Okay. Ultra Ball, Potion. Where'd I go? I'll catch it, okay? Anything. Johnny. Ha 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 ha. Oh my god. I just got a 2K egg. Vamos to catch the Poke. Yes, no está. The Redicates from my incense. Diglett. Robinson. Oh my goodness. Ooh, my chop. Oh my gosh, 333. You can't. You can, but you can't. You can.
Like my luck, I'm gonna have to like scratch something. Even Hillary Clinton getting up on the American Channel.
What is that guy doing?
Popcorn.
Go back. Oh, is it the same one? Like 800 or something. Oh my god. Right, left. There is so many Pokestops. Rice candy. Try again later.
Pokestop, my tablet doesn't want to work anymore.
You barely had it like a few months.
A summer wedding or just a day at the beach, we've got you covered. Looking for that perfect beach wave?
The Pokestop doesn't want to work. Just try again. Elections. That already happened to me too.
What's that?
I'm gonna help you with a car loan.
That? Well, that means I can do anything on the radio. Like take on a zombie.
Ooh, Wigglypuff.
I'm not just saying.
I'll get it.
I'm saying car loans because State does indeed offer car loans.
Backing up, sir.
Mommy, how?
Lights go right. Call an agent today.
Next one you'll catch it, okay? Ahorita.
Transportation for seniors and students and people with disabilities throughout Monterey County. We all agree is a good plan. Endorsed by
I want the Pokeball.
leaders, every city in the county, and even
Oh, you can catch the meows. You're good at catching meows.
the detailed plan.
Got it?
Paid for by the Monterey County
I got that!
California Lines for Jobs.
Or processed maximum nutrition with 7 locations including
I got that!
and follow
Is
them
it
on
error?
Facebook at Perfectly Pressed Juice.
I'm glad we came to Signature Furniture Galleries today.
No glitchiness, ain't no GPS found.
You notice there's no sales tax?
Pokestop.
On Lazy Boy?
Only
Get it.
recliners and reclining sofas and look, 1,500 Lazy Boy fabrics and leathers to choose.
It's a great time to buy our new Lazy Boy furniture.
Galleries, Western
Say it
Shopping
to the-
Center.
Got that! You got it, Nathan? Yeah.
All your favorite music.
Where'd you got it?
You stay on your toes.
But it's a melting pot.
Oakland is what I am, is who I am. You know, just that fearless attitude.
Again.
The people I've been around. When I got to the NBA, just want to respect the fact that I spoke to you're going to basketball players thinking they can get the ball. I had to be consistent in putting stuff out so they can keep hearing it like, okay, that was this. My life in a puzzle. Jigsaw. I went from a big dog. A person from a neighborhood like my neighborhood, you symbolize the hope. I go off and be successful and I disappear.
Is there a sport? Oh my god, I need to catch this. Me, it's a Jolteon. It's a Jolteon. A wild 146 Jolteon. Please. Please.
Savings are
I'm sorry.
Depot now with up to 40%
I don't have
off
one.
LG
¿Y qué le vamos a decir? ¿Quieres que hagas spa?
Ahorita.
Prices of the year. Upgrade now. Save now on an LG or Samsung French door.
I got it.
Just $998.
Okay, here.
The Home Depot. More saving. More
Wait.
doing.
Okay.
This report is brought to you
Wait,
by
where's the charger? Hey, I'm charging. 13%. Matt, can I borrow the charger? It's not even charging. Matt, can I borrow the charger? I was gonna die. I need a Sweeto. I did, but it's not charging. It's just going down. It does. Really, Mom? It's not working, Mom. Never mind. Not my fault. That was my fault.
I got that! A circle nearby. Nearby.
47
Circles
candy.
nearby.
A what?
A circle.
Circle? You mean a Voltorb? I need one more Weedle and I could get a Beedrill.
That's an anthem. I got that.
Oh, it's an orange.
Wait.
It's 500. A berry. Okay. Okay, right now, wait. Get a berry first. Wait, get the berry. You're gonna lose the Ultra Balls now. Berry.
Pikachu.
Oh, no. No. There.
Pikachu, Mimi.
Damn. I don't think Pikachu. Oh my goodness. Where'd it go anyways? Oh, it's the one with the big slide. That's 45 candy. I'm close to moving a Pikachu. Okay. I'm close to getting another Raichu. Two Raichu like you guys. Because I couldn't catch the other one. The party. Nathan's catching a Mankey right now.
Everywhere you are.
Bye.